Ebusian for hi Ghana Sem TV GH. Message like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification so that anytime you post video, bit say we are some make up. Ebusian for a quick one. Chairman Abronyɛ ene Friday or court. Edina court ni biom na Ebusian for. Say na NDC for Eddie treaty Chairman Abronyɛ no yenka no kre enye kra enye. Ene a yekasa aye no na nanu amudi no court. Na ka bia friend Black Maria. Enye Chairman Abronyɛ asem we kra nka me nim say ade bi o ha friend Black Maria sa. Na ko say aden we ku nipa aden or bomb B or missile bi o de kokum president na se den. Na sa Black Maria na mudi fan de ye jinwa ye ntiase. Say pickups wo ho. MPP iya neto pickups any private cars man police. Anipa ba kupe na mudi sa nepa ko to cage mu e wo car mu. O Black Maria mo ye ntiase. Ebusianfo ye ka asasem ni nyina awie no. Asa afi na ye di petrol egujanem. Ebusianfo NDC 4% omu chire Ghana force omu na mu otumi omu na mu kura tumi omu na police service na ye omu die enti asema ye kan yina no omu nti ne ye wo ma adwen mu no so on be chire Abronyɛ Chairman Abronyɛ fokin no enu na mbeye Ebusianfo enti anopa we ampara nso no omu sande sa Black Maria na edi fa Chairman Abronyɛ edi backcourt Ebusianfo but ne me die asema nyina mu ni say and now Chairman Abronyɛ bae no up Africa nemo no which means ni moral very high ni moral very high na e kanu ne kanu kure no so ni say party for my dear grassroots my dear esan say na krofo e kokot honum etunyum we are the new patriotic party. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. It is beautiful. The kind of support that you should give to one of your stalwart. Now, Abronyɛ onye nipa kekesao or your regional chairman or a stalwart of the new patriotic party. And it is a NDC for ni John Dramani Mahama say esa kwan we suna omudi no befa no. We will be there for Abronyɛ, but remember say 2029 beba 2029 beba na sa 2029 ba Black Maria no ni double decker and ebe fan crofo okroma Black Maria says after munim say Black Maria wo ho me say ni double decker o two ye the steps be two ho steps crank ye di when say when cry escape me. Oh, I skip me. Eno, na debe to ama wefu. Tomorrow is pregnant. You do me, I do you. You do me today, 2029, I will do your business for. The video is up next. See you in the next one.
Take my iPhone 14 Pro to see if you can get any other shirt. So that's the Black Maria. They're about to bring I can see him.
was on for Samaba. And you remember now, we posted content be about John Mahama and any attack on freedom of speech. And see, we posted content maybe, you know. And I will be babe comment here. And if I'm the comment here, after that, also normally, we posted any sir. Yeah, we taking the time. I go through. We go for comment now. Yeah, reply. Say Ghana same day. Sana ya jumano. Mo comments ni nano. Very important my end. Yeah, post video no pen na ene jai David. Yeah, post here, mo share, mo comments. Yeah, be kind comments ni na ya reply. Na ya like it. Na obi bisa say, and I'm sure say nipa we no. Of area home. Sanipa no offering a friend saying Wenchi Sampa area honum. Abekaya before election now, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama actually Oko Wenchi Oko promise you say Wenchi to Sampa Road no. Obe constructing. Now, Mr. President here, Wenchi for say a coin how far? Ubaye will see the big push. A big push no so when she for say omu kwan na promise you no for which reason omu to abanetia MPP ni MPP for omu PC e wo ho no e kwan no kwan ana say sepri na see because o say yendru peppeso bia elections should not just become an opportunity for people to lie to the citizenry and get away with it scot-free. Just say they know say whether they perform or don't perform, whether they fulfill or don't fulfill, nothing. I say you do be pensobia. Uko promise obi. Say me ba may say ni say na uba na wan yepe. I say emra bitimi wo after we years no. It should be held accountable our court. Because the people are getting tired of NDC form promise and feel say mukonko phone wa na mako promise you mu heaven and earth after me tuma NDC 4 years na untimi ho ade ba kumpo a utimi di usameka say oh our constituency we mu no we na president na ye constituencies bi wo ho a 4 years na shinsi ye boya baku krempu nsi ye uba ho central sese ya ebusanfo astrotef mienu a na president Akufo-Addo before ye to aba etia MPP December mono 8 months ni nothing whatsoever done on the astrotefs. You see communities no kwa no yanya bibia e be bobol wo pobio ewo ho enti wenyi na Amemu Bonia NDC for led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Now when you know ye kasa o se mayenka. O floppy ni messy up saying ye kasa omusi to me bena ye wa ye kasa. Just say freedom of speech numponu enisu ni hobium. Kwen na esi. Kwen ufa ha kwen. Now we better now who's 3 years 3 months and I say 3 years saying so 3 years 3 months naka abandi see now you need choice and so until when she funny sample for mo bisa say mu kwan won ya me dey you see make akira mo say kwan na dane kwen enti say mo sorry a wa akọ utu kwan ko sampa no free me when chi ko sampa no ya tinaka ne mu pesa say tunyum no say Mahama is the hope utunyo say utunyum na anepe within few minutes you will realize say you have arrived at your destination no port will say okwa no so tunyum no keke udi tunyum no and I say wow free sampa ko wenchi no unya tinaka ne mu peja start kwen sepri unya tu wie pe we say wakodu wenchi no portals nothing no traffic nothing for medium explanation abere. See you in the next one.
No serious political party and a bear Canada Japan or mo flag bearer. Take it from me. Many banyansafo na ekasati neti ene. In 2023, Canada Japan was all over attacking MPP MPs, insulting some of them. Henry Cortenum Mokai ni issue with Hawa Kumsen. Yes, or take ye Hawa Kumsen on so Obama lose ni seat. Bonne ben no mo ye. Bonnie also my NNSA 2020 or no Canada Japan. Air course for the constituency for campaign mom. A do ni so person the president. Safo no an supporting no. And also almost supporting it. Inside the be attack your mobile due on my term. Now you see, Ubusan a campaign ben or koyamo man, your koyamo man say almost a rally no coffee stage. And okoka samo few minutes bio. Now no actually then it says a few minutes now okoka samo no. And on a moment we need elections, MPs. Clearly, that cannot win anybody election. But Ojina so did this halfway yatem. Now you see, and then one MPs now Omudi Canada Japan other aspirant other than Dr. Baomiano. Omo supported Dr. Baomiano with MPs. Honorable Stephen Amo and Nomone Abana or Sayasare no. One we said Dr. Baomiano did you on my temoda. Debbie. But staff for no na. In 2024, Omo pray a parliamentary candidate position in MPP. Dr. Baumia personally gave them monies. Dr. Baumia mo musika. So Omo fankoye elections no mo wini no Omo be MPP parliamentary candidates. Omo wini wie ye no. Dr. Baumia say mo musika biem. So Omo fanko gi seat no. And Omo maintain seat in MPP. Dr. Baumia mananso wa o. Oko omo nyina constituencies ni omo koye campaign. Eko shia in him for Eko Lorry Park, Eko market. Dr. Baumia was all over campaigning with them to make sure so be renew seat. No so we near president. And then almost supported Dr. Baumia. But mom we said Dr. Baumia did you matem. Mom said Dr. Baumia wa can't send me to your mother. Mom we said Dr. Baumia cry bomwa. Esa de na o ma ye ne yada. That is the difference between Baumia and a Canada Japan. Baumia ya mature to nimunyansa na adwemu do. Onimsa politics na ye no obia want choices and he needs to respect obia choices. And the fact is that wabu obi doesn't mean say o political ambition say on support ya na say ne bonjo so a bon brambe support you. He understand this, that is a mature leader. But Canada Japan there wa mouteku ana tro wa ye ana bia ma no one supporting oba be di watem. And you see the implication is that Oma Canada Japan be flag bearer MPs now where did you my team nyina no want to mean from and so be campaign ma MPP win 2028 elections no he cannot do that ono ni ego no entimi ma name from and from crown so wo nko but Oma Dr. Baumia be flag bearer. This is a man who show respect to everybody. Oma be train a crowd and he can call every single person to come and join MPP na ya campaign na ya present here united front na ya kwakoji to me in 2028. So that is the difference. That is why I'm saying say no serious political party will make Canada Japan the flag bearer because of a divisive on your matured. Unlike Dr. Baumia, who show maturity, who show respect to every single MPP person. Be it Omo betray no Omo betray no MPP for
some of them come on Omo catch them kra na mesia fem. Yeah, the men nam platform so me see omo pa munko bi so bia Lady Gaga ye me dance ni, Sister Dana Rivers or ye me dance ni, Nana Hema ye me dance ni. One one there wo ho DC one DC. So if you only be truthful, come and tell people if I ever broke any bottle. Kennedy baby dia di enti na yenkum nkrofo a wo ne Kennedy nya adwene. And you think this is the man for him to lead? Yeah, no be yeah the murder na ade to no so a ye begina mu kon e defend Ken. And so na hwene an nkrofo kire. Beton Ken Adenti. Now we are delegate here who be disika ho. Na ochina says cannot the man no wasen be didi watem. Now we say wo talk back our catch say wo hia ni ntimu ntumi nkasa. na wo yese wo prea ya de wa to tankru am se enkrofo mebɔ utionkun kwesi kuntu eya o eya adentia me ko defend ba wo mia